What up, y'all? Got a quick video, man. Got these custom door lights right here. My girlfriend got me for a Christmas present. About to install these joints real quick. All it is, the sensor right here, stick on with double-sided tape. Just stick on to the side of your door. Run by batteries. I got the batteries on in one of them already. That's what it looks like if y'all can see it. It's custom Honda logo. And it runs off the sensor right here. Once it hits the sensor, it'll shut off. See it shut off right there. I'm gonna have that right there. I'm gonna install this right here real quick. Out here looking at the inside of my car. Only thing I gotta do now is just figure out where I want to pit this at. I'm thinking I'm liking it like right up in this area right here. I think I'm gonna pit like right up in there. Y'all might not can see it good, but it's shining on the ground pretty good right there. I think I'm gonna line it up. Sit it right there. I'm gonna hit the sensor like somewhere right here. The sensor to shut it off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off and I'm gonna stick it right here. Just hope it don't hit the door. I mean, hit the bottom of the chassis when I close the door. Shit, and it look like it got plenty of room. Cool, that's a good spot right there. And I closed the door, I tested it out. Don't hit the bottom of the chassis at all. It's a lot of light out here, you probably can't see it that good, but I can see it pretty good. Y'all probably can't see it good on camera, you know. I know at nighttime it'll light up a lot better. Got the sensor installed now, light up. And she's working pretty good. You see the light on right there. Still on. Close the door and it shuts. I had to make a little adjustment because the sensor sit a little bit too low. Like this bottom of where I had the light at, the light was sitting too high. I couldn't see the sensor. So I just had to slide the light down a little bit, more down. Still works out pretty good. Nothing hits down here. All I gotta do is the same thing to the other side. All right, y'all, on the passenger side, man. Check this thing out. Got that done. Can't really see it, but I can see it pretty good. Yo, yeah, we in there. And that's about it, y'all. Little quick video, man. Nothing too serious. About to take this thing to the car wash, man. Been snowing up this joint, man. Riding through this sand. I mean, this salt. I said sand. All right, we got the other one right there. We looking good, huh? Man, thanks for tuning in right here. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Go. Man, ain't this something you don't ever see right here, though? Usually, the sheriff is always behind me. Should do a citizen's arrest.